Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the BRAWL token from Bit Brawl. So we're going to go over the information on this token. It's getting a whole bunch of brand new central exchange listings. It's an IDO project right now. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, in some pages, they call it the Bit Brawl token. Other pages, they call it the Brawl token. But basically, the ticker symbol is definitely Brawl here. We could try to find their block explorer to see if they, to see what it says there. So this is on the Solana blockchain. It says token name is Bit Brawl, all one word. Brawl's the ticker symbol. SPL token with a max total supply of 10 billion tokens. So if we take the contract address here, it says one holder. So it's probably not even going to be listed on any charts yet. If I put it into, say, DEX Tools or DEX Screener, it says no pairs there on DEX Tools. And then if I put it into DEX Screener, it'll probably say no pairs as well, because it is not even really available yet for listing, but it is in its IDO phase. So I can't really check to see if there's any quick audits or anything like that. Now, this token is going to be listed here on Gate, which is a central exchange. It's going to be listed March 28th. It's also going to be listed on BYBIT March 28th. And right now their IDO is just wrapping up on BYBIT, so you can go check BYBIT out in the IDO section. Search this token name and get involved with the IDO if you like. These places might not even, or these exchanges might not even be available in your area. So you might have to wait March 28th till it gets listed on RAYDIUM or Jupiter or Orca or any decentralized exchange for Solana tokens and get it off of one of those. Now, if we go to their document section, bitbrawl.gitbook.io/white paper, there is information like tokenomics, stuff like that. It says official links. Now, I don't see a full audit or anything like that, so just be aware of that. This seems to be a very well-established project, though. Like, if we go to, first of all, there's a 10 billion total supply, 9 decimal places on this token here, and their Twitter is at bitbrawl.io. And if we go over there, it says that they have 145,000 Twitter followers. So obviously doing very well. I'm sure they'll have an audit here somewhere. They might have even just announced one coming soon. They're also going to be listed on MEXC Global. So I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there if you don't have an account. March 28th, which is tomorrow, this token will be listed on MEXC. You can use that referral code if you like. But usually I review audits and things like that to see if there's any sketchiness going on with contracts. But I can't really do that. Now, they do AMAs. So they do have AMAs here. They just did one with BYBIT yesterday, so you could check that out. So it looks like the team does dox themselves, so that's nice to see. And yeah, so their IDO subscription is just finishing, and then now the project is launching. So what is this project all about anyway? So it says here, welcome to Bit Brawl. Bit Brawl is an online compete to earn game. It is a player versus player game where you compete against other brawlers in competitive matches and tournaments. Players battle on the platform and compete across various game modes. Our game incorporates over 20 plus partnered projects, skins, in addition to our 10,000 unique brawlers. BitBRAWL is built on Solana. Now their mission, we came up with BitBRAWL back in 2021, a period in which there was a massive boom in play-to-earn games, but very few examples of quality games with sustainable rewards. We wanted to become the first cross-chain fighting game to deliver a superior C2E game that's fun, competitive, and rewarding. We believe within the next couple of years, C2E games will be widely popular and BitBRAWL is going to be a pioneer. Our mission is to create a fun game that rewards skilled players. So they're going to incorporate every player type from the highest form of competition to just enjoying gameplay with friends and family. So the tokenomics here, it says our goal with the BRAWL token is to incentivize users to participate in the ecosystem activities, including tournaments and ranked mode. We do this for two reasons: to reward players for competing in BitBRAWL and thus using tokens for transactions to create an in-game economy, and to decentralize ownership of BitBRAWL. And then we have the tokenomics here. So basically the tokens split up between pre-seed, seed, private sale, contributors, public sale, IDO, ecosystem, airdrops, team and advisors, development, liquidity, marketing. And there is brawler rentals. So you could buy an NFT brawler, use it for your own, or you could rent one, or you could buy one and rent it out to other players. And then you basically share income on the kind of like Steppen, if you guys remember that project with the shoe. And yeah, so you get these rewards for the brawlers depending on what game mode you play in. There's casual mode, there's tournament mode, there's different seasons. So they go over the whole storyline on their document section, gameplay, game modes. They have the official links. Go to bitbrawl.gitbook.io/whitepaper for all the info. Now this token is going to be listed on MEXC Global, on Gates, on KUCOIN, on BYBIT, and then some dexes like RAYDIUM and Jupiter. If you don't have any of those accounts, I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there, so check that out. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about the BRAWL token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.